Many of you have been asking to give specific examples of creating content. Let's take really tough ones. How do you generate content for cloud kitchen coaching or weighted blankets, which are doing very well on Amazon right now? Now, these are very competitive keywords out there. They're becoming phrases and nouns and verbs of their own. Give me a weighted blanket, for example. That doesn't mean you should give up. In fact, that's an area to go in smartly. First, as always, identify the keywords related to the pain point. For example, for cloud kitchen coaching, you might write about profitable food business ideas for entrepreneurs in India, or ways to make side income and use my passion to earn side income through cooking, or low business risk business ideas for chefs. For weighted blankets, you could consider topics like how to relieve anxiety naturally, tips for getting better sleep. You see the difference. You're leading from a keyword which is pain point related towards a solution, weighted blankets. Number two, from those keywords, especially start automating the organic AI content using tools like Quick Ads or others that you prefer. Start building content which is problem focused. Like we talked about frameworks like PASS, pain, agitate, solve. So now that we talked about having difficulty, trouble sleeping because of anxiety, or use your brain tossing around, then give a solution that you could use magnesium pills, or you could try these weighted blankets as an example. That's called problem focused content out there.